Hi and welcome to our Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay, and in this video we'll be talking about granting out of privileges. Now, Oteejay happens to be the person that is locked in, and he's the vice principal. He's the principal of the school. Now, we're going to use this particular grant privileges to actually have access to that. Now, the only privilege here is the privilege to actually comment on reports. That is somebody or a number of persons can actually help him to comment on the report of the students for that particular term. Now he will just need to just specify the member of staff he wants to do that. Maybe an answer, then he will submit. When he specified that, automatically the person will have access to comment on the report of the student for that particular time. Now he can actually view the reports. The privilege has been granted. He has granted out before. If you look at this, I think that was granted this privilege out previously, and he also this one is already deactivated, and he granted out another one again to the same manager. And he can actually use this one to actually comment on reports of the student for the particular term or the current term. Now he can, if you want to deactivate that, he can use this link to deactivate it, and a privilege deactivated cannot be activated again. Usually, if in case you want that privilege to exist again, you need to actually create another privilege, grant out another privilege for that particular person. Now clicking on here will take us back to the interface whereby we can actually grant our privilege to someone, and this indicates all privileges. The one unique feature of this privilege implementation is this: the principal has access to view all the privileges that every member of staff in the system has granted out to other person, and in a situation whereby he doesn't agree with any of those privileges, he can deactivate it. You understand? He has a very superior role or a superior privilege capability to see other privilege the other member of staff are granted out, and he can deactivate them. Now, then with this particular interface, now he has access to all the privileges that has been granted out to other members of staff. So if you look at it, these are them, and if you can decide to deactivate any of them, even the ones that have been deactivated before, and you can use this particular button to see the ones that are active and the ones that are not active. Previously, we stated that we are going to talk about two extra informations, and those two extra informations are this. The first one has been talked about, which is about perpetually active. For portfolios for teachers, and the second one is that the principal can actually have access to the interface of the vice principals. In a situation whereby some of the functions of the vice principal are done by the principal, the school will request to host Oteejay concept for them to actually configure the application so that the principal will have access to all the interface of the vice principal. Another kind condition, the principal will be seeing this particular button in his profile drop down deputy. If that particular configuration is not there, he will not see that, and when he see that deputy there, he can use it to have access to the interface of the vice principal. And when he have access to the interface of the vice principal, he can see that this is the interface of the vice principal. He can actually carry out the activities that the vice principal actually carry out normally. Like for example, specifying who should be the form teacher. Look at it, if he clicks on it, it works. You can actually create form teacher create form teacher, that is assign of teacher to become form teacher for different classes. You can view the ones that are already there and deactivate or activate as the case may be. With this, we have come to the end of this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you next tutorial, and make sure your school sign up on the scholars.